Hi guys, first of all you must bring your model that you want to render that. I apply different colors for renderize that. Click on render. Here is an option for control stamps. Here is apply stamp. Write down what you want, make master. So here I can choose different fonts. Yep, this one may be good. And also regular, bold, italic, and also you can change the color of your font. Then okay, save that. Save as in desktop. I'll show you that what happened. Okay, I open that for you. Yes, make master. Thanks guys, please subscribe my channel.